Hello everyone. So now in this video I'm going to tell you that how to use for loop, and I tell you that thing in the last video that it is very important in Python that how to use for loop in all the things. So first of all we have list. So if you want to use for loop in list, then we have so many ways like that. If we have a list like that, 1 2 3 4, and you want to know all the things in list, then you can do one thing for I in range of. If you want to know the length of a list and anything, then you can use len function. So here, and okay, and I tell you that thing in the last video that how to use for loop. So for I in range of len of this and len of n, and now if you want to print all the things, then you can use here print n of I. So execute this thing and you will get 1 2 3 4. So this is the first way that how to use for loop. Now the second way is that is very simple for I in n. So this is the very easiest way in Python. So now print of I, like that you can also print all the values in the list. So now I'm going uh, in the next topic, and what is that? Okay, so this is this thing I tell you for x in banana. Yeah. So if you don't know, then I tell you that string also an array, like that. If I real ram, and if you want to know all the character in the string, then you can do one thing here for I in s, and I told you later that string also an array. So if you want to character in all the character in this string, then you can simply do this thing and you can know all the character in this thing. So this is very important, because if I give you, this is the very important problem. If you have one digit like that, 1 2 3 4 and 6 7 8, and if you want to know that the total sum of all the digits in this number, so what you can do here, we can simply do one thing. And what is that? For I in string, first of all convert this thing in the string, and now like that we can convert anything in the string. So now if you want to know the total sum, then you can initialize a here. This is sum, no, means total is equal to 0. And here, if now we have character, so if you want to um, convert character in integer, then you can do one thing here, simply total plus plus. You want to convert this thing in int, then write like this, and simply here print of total. So like that you can know the sum of the all digits in this number. So like that we can find. So this is very important to know that string also an array. Now go further. Yeah, like that. This is now here, exit the loop in x is banana, like that. If x is, yeah, all the things I told in the last video. So there is no more thing. Yeah, okay. Continue statement, range function, I told you what is range function and how to use this thing I also told you. Yeah, this thing I don't told you. So what is that? If you want all the odd number, then what you can do here, for I in range of 1 to 100. So now you want to give two space here. This is the space. If you like that 1 3 5, so like that you can give here space, and here simply print of I. So if you execute it, yeah, 1 3 5 7. So now I think that you will know that what is the meaning of the last digit. Okay, so now I move further, and yeah, If you want to compare two string in Python, then you can do a very simple thing. If you have a is equal to 1 2 3 and b is equal to 3 4 5 and if you want to know that both are equal or not, then you can do simply like that. If a is equal to b here, then print equal, otherwise print not equal. Like that you can do the comparison between two string. Okay, so if we now if you want to know that this number is palindrome or not, what is the meaning of palindrome? Palindrome means 1 2 3, and if you reverse this, this is 2 1 3. If both are equal, then it is palindrome. Like that, if we take 1 2 1 and the reverse is also 1 2 1, so this is the palindrome. So how to do this problem? So if I we have an, and that is one string like that 1 2 3, and you want to know that what is the means what that n is palindrome or not, then what you can do here, we have to reverse this n. So you can create one thing here, m is equal to, like that we can reverse a string, a string, a list, and anything. So if both are equal, then it is a string, and then it is palindrome. So right, yes. So if you execute this thing, okay, yeah, both are not equal. That's why, yeah, yeah. 1 minute. Else, no. Okay, like that you can do. Yeah. So this is no. If you write here 1 to 1, then it will write. So if you want to know how many ways of, I don't know, you can do one more thing here. Reversed, R-E-V-E-R-S-E-D, R-E-V-E-R-S-E-D, reversed. And I don't know that it is gonna working or not, but I think it is working. Okay, this is not gonna working here. So if you want to know how to reverse a string in Python, then you can simply search here how to reverse into Google and a string in Python. Like that you can search on Google, and you can know that how to search in how to reverse a string in Python. Okay, so like that, this is the first thing that you can do here. And there is one more thing I forgot. Okay, there is a reverse function. If you're using this function in, you can, yeah, there is a reverse function. I forgot here. 1 minute. Okay, so like that you can do all the things, and there is not, and the reverse function is actually in list. In list you can use this function. So now if you want to yeah, you can here do one more thing, that is nested loop. Like that, I in n, and for I means for j in m. Like that you can also use. That means if this thing, if for I in n, for the first value months, or this loop execute all the times for the n. Okay, means that if I is equal to 1, then it will execute from say 0 to m. Like that it is working. And so this is all the things about for loop. In the next video I am going to show you more things about Python, like that how to use tuples, dictionary, and sets. So this is for this video. In the next video I will going to tell you all the things about these things. So thank you. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. Thank you. And I am also going to tell you one thing, that I am new in YouTube, so please support me. Okay, so thank you.